Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. In the year 2020, Seiko launched their limited edition Street Fighter series and then the limited edition Naruto series. Seiko has now launched their Pokemon series. If you are a fan, here's what you need to know. At the time this video was made, Seiko has just announced this new series literally a couple of hours ago. Hence, there isn't much information out there, so bear with me with the little information I have for the time being. There are a total of 4 watches to collect. The first watch is the yellow dial Pikachu. The watch comes with a customary design case that is called Pikachu Super Effective on Water case. I have no idea why they have named it that way, but that's what they have named it. The watch comes with a black leather strap with white stitching and yellow leather at the back. It also comes with a green canvas strap with black stitching. Both straps have stainless steel pin buckles. The dial on this watch is yellow matte with black printings on it that says Seiko at the 12 o'clock and Pokemon Super Effective on Water type! It also has a silhouette of Pikachu with its tail being the counterweight of the second hand. The second hand is black, but the minute and hour hands are in grey and are skeleton hands. The indices appears to be applied round markers and the minute indicators are all painted in grey. The next watch is another Pikachu watch that has a green sunburst dial. This is a simpler dial that has all the indices and writings on the dial painted in white. The hour and minute hand are not skeleton hands. The second hand here is yellow and has Pikachu tail designed as a counterweight. This reminds me of the second hand on the Rolex Milgauss. What do you think? Anyway, just above the 6 o'clock, you see Pikachu running across, and that is why this watch comes with another customary design case that is called the Pikachu running case. The watch comes with a brown leather strap with white stitching and yellow canvas strap with black stitching. They all have stainless steel pin buckle. The third watch here is Eevee. The dial has a beige color with Eevee drawn at the bottom of the dial. The indices designed here are like those in the first watch, however they are all in rainbow colors. I believe the hour, minute and seconds hands are all stainless steel and they are not skeleton hands. I'm not too sure if they are lumibright on the hour and minute hand. They might. Same goes with the second watch. The watch also comes with a customary design case that is just called the Eevee case. The watch comes with a brown leather strap with white stitching and beige leather on the other side of the strap. The second strap is a beige canvas strap that has a black stitching. They all have stainless steel pin buckle. Last but not least is Mewtwo. The dial is purple and has a cyclone pattern on it. It kinda have the sunburst effect with Mewtwo showing a good pose there. The printing on it are white with long applied indices, with the 12 o'clock being a little thicker compared with the rest. The hour and minute hands are skeletonized, with the seconds hand have a darker tone of grey compared to the hour and minute hand. The Mewtwo customary design case is perhaps the coolest of them all. The watch comes with black leather strap with purple stitching and a purple canvas strap with black stitching. They all have stainless steel pin buckle. The case on these watches are all the same. The front profile shows the bezel and case are all brush finish with the crown at the 3 o'clock. The crown guards are really nothing. The watch has a 100 meter water resistance and they come with magnetic resistance as well. All of the watches have a closed case back with the Mewtwo design slightly different, resembling the Master Ball design instead. Each watch comes with a unique cleaning cloth design after the Pokeball. Apparently, the Mewtwo has a Master Ball design instead. The watch is powered by a 7N01 caliber movement, which is a quartz movement. This is another limited edition watch where only 1,200 pieces will be made for every watch. Furthermore, these watches are only exclusively sold in Japan. So if you want to get one, you need to know someone in Japan. Seiko will begin selling these watches on 11 December 2020. These watches will be sold in Japan for 30,800 yen each. That's all the information I can gather for now. If you have any other information due to subsequent updates, please post them at the comments below. We will love to hear them. Now I just hope they will make a Dragon Ball series. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to support me, and I'll really appreciate it and promise to upload more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.